Hi, it's Noe with WTI, and if you're looking for the perfect pair of fitted water shoes that can work great for men or women, then you're gonna wanna check out this pair from Queday. I got this pair in black and orange for my husband, and let me tell you, they exceeded our expectations. They were comfortable and worked for all of our water activities. They had great traction on rock. They were great in sand. They were very comfortable while swimming. These shoes would be great for any kind of climbing or hiking. These shoes have amazing drainage. We found that we were able to clean them up very easily after each activity, and we just set them out to air dry, and they dried so quickly. My husband wore these all day long for multiple days in a row with no problem. He said they were very comfortable and easy to wear, a snug fit. They do have a tie in the front that allows you to pull them in a little bit tighter if needed. I love the bottom of the shoe. You could really see that each toe had a gripping, and we found that the fabric was very durable. We found that these shoes were very lightweight, super flexible, and very durable for all of our water activities. So if you're looking for a comfortable, fitted water shoe, then we would highly recommend this pair of water shoes from Queday. And that's our point of view.